Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Remodels and Builders. Back at our job site again today. Copy and Construction, Arcadia, episode 31. Wow, we have passed our pre-drywall inspection, so they gotta do insulation today. I am super excited to show you what this is all about. Okay, friends, as you can see, they're cleaning up here. They've got insulation in the ceilings and in the walls, and I'm just trying to stay out of the way. But they've got all that foam insulation done in this house. It's just amazing. Can you believe all that they've been able to do in such a short period of time? They got started extra early this morning, so they are done and just cleaning up. These are our trade partners, Banker Insulation. So our trade partner, Banker Insulation, was here early this morning and got this spray foam done. Just amazing how great a job these guys do. We're super excited to have them as part of our team and trust them with all of our installation installs. Isn't this incredible? So, friends, for Copy and Construction Arcadia, episode 31. Thank you for being here on this journey with us. We so appreciate you joining along. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.